I was approached by a project manager today to talk about business analysis. So a friend of mine is a project manager and asked me, David, what is a project manager and what is a business analyst, and how do they either complement each other or are they peers of one another? So let me go through some of the courses you might be looking at as a project manager and also business analysis. So for a project manager, there are courses which state that you are a project manager. Courses such as the Association for Project Management, known as the Project Management Qualification. This certificate states that you have the knowledge to be a project manager. Now, there are other courses you can take which tell you that you understand the methodologies that you use to run a project, such as Agile Project Management or Prince2. All of these are relevant to you as a project manager. Now, the difference between business analysis and project management is, as a project manager, and I've been a project manager myself, I get given documentation to run a project. So I am there for a temporary amount of time. I'm there to kick off a project, create something, and then I'm done. And then I move to the next project. So let's add to that skill set. Let's look at the bigger picture. Business analysts work alongside project managers. Now, you might have worked with some in the past and you might have different ideas about them, but in general, what a business analyst does is all the picture before the project's ever kicked off. They're an internal business consultant to the business. They're an advisory position. They will look at different ways to solve problems, look for opportunities that the business can take advantage of. They will look at the strategy, the context of the business, all the internal and external factors that might impact that business. And they live in this world where they're trying to take the business and move it forward. Now, in order to move the business from point A, which is the current situation, to point B, which is the future state, the business is going to have to run programs and projects which you project managers and us project managers have been involved in. But there's a bigger world around that. So what the BAs end up working in is this world and that project world. Business analysts can also run projects, and some of them quite often do. In fact, I have some of my friends that are project managers that are also business analysts. So sometimes they're running projects, sometimes they're working as a BA in other people's projects. It's complementary to your skill set as a project manager. So instead of being that person that just runs that project, you can also work in the outside world, defining all of the projects or all the opportunities that the business can take advantage of. Now, the BA will help with requirements and other things, dealing with your stakeholders within the project. Now we run into the end of your project. As a project manager, once we've delivered, we're done. For a BA, quite commonly, they'll look at how to optimize the benefits realization process. Is there any knock-on effects of that output? Is it being effectively used in the business? So this is the world of the BA, which is, I think, complementary to the project management world. So if you're interested in that, you can look at the diploma or international diploma in business analysis to gain those extra skills as a project manager to be able to work in multi areas of the business.